The Department of Transportation has outlined the consequences for traditional jeepney operators who fail to meet the consolidation deadline by December 31. DOTR spokesperson Undersecretary Timothy John Batan said that those who will not consolidate will be colorum once they take the road on January 1, 2024.
Again, December 31, pang-anim na po naming extension yan. Hindi po ito bulagaan, hindi po ito biglaang pinatupad. Kung sakali man na hindi po talaga hahabol ang ating mga unconsolidated operators, ay hindi na po may extend yung validity ng kanilang prangkisa. Magiging colorum po.
He emphasized that the door for another extension of the deadline has been firmly closed, having already been extended 6 times. This finality was further affirmed by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
No less than our President, Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, ang nagsabi na wala nang extension. Napapanahon na itong PUV modernization natin ay umusad at hindi na maantala yung kapakanan ng mas nakakarami dahil sa iilan.
The DOTR is making a last appeal to unconsolidated PUJ operators, urging them to catch up with the deadline. Yusek Batan assured that the consolidation requirements have been simplified, stating that an intent to consolidate will be sufficient to allow them to ply their routes on January 1. However, the actual change of units is anticipated to take 2 to 3 years. In response to these developments, the transport group Piston has staged a protest outside the central office of the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB. Their discontent centers around the 2017 Omnibus Franchising Guidelines. Despite engaging in a discussion with LTFRB Chairman Attorney Chofilo Guadis III, the group remains dissatisfied as the agency remains firm on the December 31 consolidation deadline. Piston has indicated that in addition to continuing their transport strike tomorrow, they may organize another protest before the consolidation deadline.
Tuloy-tuloy yung ating mga pagkilos. Tayo ay hindi matatapos bukas. Kung bukas ay hindi matatapos yung ating pagkilos, kundi magkakaroon lamang din tayo ng adjustment o paghahanda pa doon sa mga susunod na mga araw.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.